you don't have Valentine's Day plans yet, get on it. Or get some canvases and some pink and white, tan, brown, black. Just 2 brushes. A big one and a small one. Pink and white. Slap it on. And let it mix on the canvas and be blendy and cool. There. Rinse your brush and get some chalk. Oh, and let it dry. Chalk. Start with a big half a heart. Half a heart. Then a small little oval circle. Right on the line. And then a bigger one behind it, right on the line. And then just connect them, kinda, just with a connecty line. Connecty line. Connecty line. This line thicker. Go on one side of it and kind of connect it. The other side of it too. I guess that got a lot thicker. That's okay. To about there. We're gonna go the other way. Other way. A little bump right here. And take this line. We're just gonna go down. Excellent. Wet paper towel. Erase all the parts that you don't need, that are confusing. This. 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 And this, I guess. Get your paint. Tan and white. I'm just gonna paint in this whole shape. Now take your smaller brush and same color. It's like a petal shape coming off from his head. Petal shape. And fill it in. So those little horns, a circle with a line underneath. That's it. Circle, line. Add more white to your light tan. More white to your light tan. More white to your light tan. More white to your tan. We're gonna do a little on this part of the face. And fill it in. And use that same color to just really loosely highlight the whole shape. Here. Now rinse your brush. I'm really into finger painting right now. Brown. Stamp. 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 And then stop and get your brush. And now I'm gonna put another coat on these and fix them up. And then I'm gonna add some little ones. Push, pull. Push, pull. Here. Here. Fill in the top of his little this. Maybe a little. Another petal shape inside of the petal shape. Push, pull. Here's where things get wild and crazy. An outline of this. And then we're gonna flick, flick, flick up. Flick, 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 flick. Flick, 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 flick. Flick, flick, flick. Right, black. It's time for the eye. It's just a U. U. That's it. Outline, like the whole thing. Where should we start? The ear? Okay. Other side. Here we go. A little nostril, just a whoop, whoop. More of a blip, I think, actually. Let me try something. That's kind of cute. Some little linies in there. Stop making them perfect. Stop counting them. I think we're done. But that's not all.